Hello, girls. In the last class, you have learnt about the geographical conditions and the course of history. Today, we shall learn the geographical features of India, the Thar Desert. The Thar Desert spreads across Rajasthan, Haryana, and some parts of Gujarat. A part of the desert lies in today's Pakistan. The desert has the Satluj River to its north, the Aravalli mountain range to the east, the Run of Kutch to the south, and the Indus River to the west. The Ghaggar River that originates in Himachal Pradesh reaches the Thar Desert. It is also known as Hakra in Pakistan. The Thar Desert is also called the Great Indian Desert. Girls, next on the screen, you can see a picture of the plateau. Plateau means an area of level high ground, also called tableland. The next region is the Deccan Plateau. The region between the east and the west coast of India tapers off to the south. This region has the Arabian Sea to the west, the Indian Ocean to the south, and the Bay of Bengal to the east. The region that is covered by the sea on three sides is called a peninsula. A major part of the Indian peninsula is occupied by the Deccan Plateau. The Sahyadri mountain ranges are to the west, and therefore it is called the Western Ghat. The mountains on the eastern side of the Deccan Plateau is called the Eastern Ghat. Deccan Plateau has fertile land and therefore agriculture flourished during the post-Harappan civilization. Deccan Plateau was also the part of the Maurya Empire, the largest in ancient India. Next is the coastal region. From the time of the Harappan civilization, ancient India had trade relations with Western countries, and this trade was carried on by sea. And that's how India had developed contact and interaction with foreign culture and people. Later, land routes were used for trade and transport. The last region is the islands in the seas. Island means a piece of land surrounded by water. Here we see the Indian islands, Andaman and Nicobar in the Bay of Bengal, Lakshadweep, which is a group of Indian islands in the Arabian Sea. These islands have played an important role in carrying on trade. An unknown Greek sailor has mentioned the Indian islands in the manuscripts titled Periplus of the Erythraean Sea or the Handbook of the Red Sea. Manuscript means an author's handwritten or typed text that has not yet been published. Finally, let us gain knowledge about the Indian subcontinent. The cities of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro are in today's Pakistan. Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and India together form the region called as South Asia. This is due to the great extent and significance of India in this region. Therefore, it is called the Indian subcontinent. China and Myanmar. Myanmar was formerly called Burma. Both China and Myanmar, our neighboring countries, are not a part of South Asia or the Indian subcontinent. However, they had cultural and trade relations with ancient India. But they do have an important place in the study of ancient Indian history. With this, we complete chapter number 1. For your assignment, you need to answer question number 1. That is, answer the following in one sentence where you have 4 questions. Main question 2, answer the following questions in short. There you have 3 questions. Main question 3, you have give reason, where there are 2 give reasons. And main question 4, explain the difference in the human life in the hilly regions and that on the plains. All these 4 questions is your homework. Question number 5 will be done when the school reopens. Thank you, my girls.